Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with YMY hair, and this is a packaging. I really like how sleek it is. You know, it's just, you know, black and white, as you see, very to the point. So I got that drawstring with the hair, obviously, a branded elastic headband, a edge brush and comb, a pair of HD wig caps. I got this clip you can use when styling the wig. I also got a pair of lashes. That's a decent amount of goodies, can't lie. And then finally, we're on to today's wig. This is how it came packaged. So let's get into it. This is how it looks. This wig that we're working with today is a Bleached knots 13x6 HD lace front wig, and it's a lightly pre-plucked hairline, and you can wear this glueless if you wish. And today I'm going to do a glueless installation. It's a deep wave, as you can see. It's really gorgeous, and the lace already comes pre-bleached. It has this adjustable elastic band on the inside. It's also tagged with their information. It has combs on the inside for security. I love all this space that, you know, you get to work with, so you could do a lot of different hairstyles if you wish, and the hair is really soft. So as I said, it's lightly pre-plucked, so if you want, you could go in and pluck it further to your liking, but you can also go ahead and install it just as is, and it will look really good. As you guys can see, that's exactly what I'm doing, and I so far love it. It's very easy to work with. You know, as I said, I'm doing a glueless install today, so I kind of just got my lace bond spray. But first, I'm cutting away the excess lace and also ensuring that around the ear portion sits comfortably. So yeah, as you can see right here, I'm cutting away the extra lace. Just ensure you take your time when doing this so you don't cut off any of the hair. And yeah.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
After I was done doing this, I pretty much applied just some lace bond spray, and I kind of fast forwarded through that portion because you guys see me do this all the time. But look at all that space you have to work with at the lace area. Now, I wasn't finished with melting it. I know. So please spare me. But yeah, look at the lace space. You could go ahead and you could do braids with this. You know, feel free to explore different hairstyles. You could do updos. I opted to do a half up, half down today, and you're gonna see that. You saw that in the intro, but you're gonna see me styling it further down in the video. But it is really nice with all the space you have to work with. As I said, the hair itself is very soft. I went in and got my spray bottle with water so I could just, you know, redefine these waves. They're really nice. And did I tell you guys the length of this wig is actually 26 inches long, so that is really nice. I put the specific density down below and all the specifications, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. The direct link, if there are any deals, any discount going on with this wig, you could go ahead and check down below. But so far so good. Feels really good. I just kind of wanted to show you guys it's just in its natural state. Those waves are gorgeous. So yeah, feel free to just go ahead, let it down. You could do a nice deep bust down middle part, or you could do a side part like I'm rocking here, flip over vibe. Gorgeous, yes. Alright, so pretty much I went back in and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a updo right here with the wig. You know, nothing much to it, very easy, very to the point. You know, if you're a beginner, you definitely can attempt to do this because literally you just have to pretend as if you're styling your natural hair in a half up, half down, and you're good to go. So after I was done doing that, I pretty much just went over the front there with some of my face powder because there was a little bit of cast, but it looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. Very minimal vibe, as I said, with the pluck work. So if you want to give it more graduation, you can do so. But the hair is very soft, very silky. Minimal shedding, by the way. Love. So you guys can go ahead. As I said, all the information is down below. Shout out to YMY here once more for today's gorgeous wig. But that's it. That is it for today's wig look. I'm just adding more water because after restyling it, you know, sometimes it can mess up the waves or the curls. So I just went back in to rejuvenate that so that these waves can look as juicy as possible. And it's really, really easy to work with. Like, it doesn't tangle a lot because it's deep wave. It's not like super tight curls. So it's quite easy to detangle. But yeah, that's it. That's it for today's wig look. Go ahead, give me a like, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in.